Hey Audiophiles! Today we're tuning in to the best AV receivers for 2024. These top picks offer unparalleled sound quality, advanced features, and seamless connectivity for the ultimate audio experience. Let's dive into the best AV receivers to elevate your home entertainment setup. Denon AVR-X2800H. The AVR-X2800H is one of Denon's most economical premium X models, with 7 channels of amplification and 7.1 ch of processing. It supports 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos and DTS X. Those who do not have vertical channels can nevertheless benefit from the onboard DTS Virtual X and Dolby Atmos Height Virtualization technology. Despite being an entry-level amplifier, the AVR-X2800H's HDMI board has been improved from its predecessor to offer 3 HDMI 2.1 ports that can pass 8K 60Hz or 4K 120Hz video at up to 40 Gbps. The remaining 3 HDMI 2.0 ports have an 18 Gbps bandwidth, although all inputs support 4.4.4 chroma subsampling and are compatible with a variety of HDR codecs, including HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and hybrid log gamma. VRR, QFT, ALLM, and FRL are on board to provide a more seamless gaming experience. In addition, all inputs support 8K upscaling, and EARC delivers uncompressed audio via a single HDMI connection. Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE. This AV receiver with MusicCast is a cutting-edge audio-visual powerhouse designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. It supports sophisticated video formats like as 4K 60, 4K 120AB, 8K 60OB, HDR10+, and HDMI 2.1, delivering excellent image quality. Its connectivity choices are extensive, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect, enabling for easy interaction with your devices. And here, the receiver supports immersive audio formats such as Dolby Atmos with Height Virtualization, and DTS, resulting in rich, three-dimensional sound. Voice control compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri via AirPlay 2 improves convenience by allowing hands-free operation. Plus, it supports a variety of streaming services such as Pandora, Spotify, Napster, SiriusXM, Tidal, Deezer, Qobuz, and Amazon Music HD, providing limitless entertainment alternatives. It also supports modern visual technologies like as Dolby Vision, hybrid log gamma, and BT.2S20, resulting in rich and lifelike graphics. Marantz Cinema 40. The Marantz Cinema 40 AV receiver is another ideal solution for big home theater systems, as it incorporates cutting-edge sound and visual reproduction technology and provides theater-like home surround sound enjoyment. This AVR has 9.4 channels and uses the acclaimed HDAM technology to drive even the most powerful loudspeakers. This surround sound receiver's channels each have a preamp mode and 4 separate subwoofer channels, for a total of 11.4 channels of processing capabilities to enhance your home audio system. Make a 7.1.4 or 5.1.6 speaker arrangement for a strong home surround system. Also, here, you can wirelessly stream music from Spotify, Pandora, TuneIn, and other services using the built-in HEOS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth to create a whole home audio system. Meanwhile, this Cinema 40 has 8K and 4K 1120 HDMI connections that enable HDR10+, Dolby Vision, HLG, and other features to provide a superb cinematic experience. It enhances your home surround sound system with IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Atmos, DTS X, and Auro 3D, providing an immersive surround sound experience. Sony STR-AN1000. The AV receiver is a high-performance hub for your home entertainment system, producing an astonishing 165 W per channel at 6 ohms. This receiver is future-proof, featuring 8K and 4K 120 HDMI connection and HDMI 2.1 compatibility across its 6-in-2-out layout. And it decodes object-based audio formats such as Dolby Atmos and DTS, resulting in a fully immersive audio experience. The Digital Cinema Auto Calibration 9 and 360 Spatial Sound Mapping provide excellent audio performance for your individual room configuration. In terms of visual brilliance, the receiver supports major HDR formats such as Dolby Vision, HDR10, Hybrid Log Gamma, and IMAX Enhanced, resulting in astounding image quality. As well as integration with Sonos systems, allows you to effortlessly integrate the STR-AN1000 into your existing Sonos setup for smooth multi-room audio. Streaming is adaptable, with built-in support for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Chromecast, Spotify Connect, and Apple AirPlay, giving you plenty of ways to enjoy your favorite music and media. Google Assistant support enables voice control, offering an added degree of convenience. And this receiver also supports Zone 2 and Zone 3 for flexible multi-zone audio delivery, making it ideal for bigger houses or multi-room configurations. Denon AVR-X4800H. This is a high-end home theater receiver for bigger rooms that provides an immersive 3D audio experience with 125 W per channel. With 8K 60 Hz pass-through and advanced video standards like as HLG, HDR, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dynamic HDR, it provides flawless video quality and smooth animation. It could enhance your home entertainment experience with Dolby Atmos, DTS Pro, IMAX Enhanced, and Auro 3D for immersive surround sound. And it offers Dolby Height Virtualization and DTS Virtual to produce overhead sound in audio systems without height speakers, allowing for more flexible configuration options. With 10 HDMI ports supporting 8K and 4K at 120, analog and digital inputs, a phono input, and 4 RCA and XLR subwoofer outputs, the receiver easily connects to any HD UHD TV, subwoofer, or Blu-ray player and turntable for incredible stereo sound. Even better, the receiver's 11.4-channel processing capabilities and pre-amplifier mode enable expansion, making it suitable for a large-scale home cinema system. The Denon AVR-X4800H has a simple on-screen HD GUI setup aid that walks you through clear and intuitive directions for connecting your TV, while the Odyssey Room Correction Suite calibrates all speakers and adjusts the AVR for top performance. And with its strong audio and video capabilities, versatile connectivity choices, and smooth multi-room streaming, the Denon AVR-X4800H is a cutting-edge pick for a better home entertainment experience. Onkyo TX-NR6100. Lastly, we have this premium choice for home theater enthusiasts. This receiver provides a remarkable 210 W per channel of high current amplification, reaching the THX certified select level for reference sound quality. It supports 8K 60p and HDR10+ video, resulting in outstanding visual clarity on compatible HDMI screens. Dolby Atmos and DTS receivers offer immersive, height-enabled surround sound. DTS and Dolby's upmixing and virtualization techniques can produce a 3D sound environment from any speaker configuration. Music enthusiasts will like the built-in Chromecast, AirPlay 2, DTS Play-Fi, and Sonos compatibility, which provide adaptable multi-room audio control. Voice assistants such as Google Assistant and Alexa improve the convenience of hands-free operation. The receiver also has an HDMI sub-Zone 2 output for attaching a second monitor, as well as dedicated Zone 2 speaker terminals that allow for simple changeover between a 7.25.2.2 channel and 5.2 channel plus Zone 2 configuration. A high-quality phono equalization is available for vinyl fans, as is bidirectional Bluetooth wireless technology for flexible communication. And that concludes our video. We really hope you enjoyed our video. To receive notifications when we release more hot reviews, click on the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.